Hello everyone, I'm Shantae from planmindfully.com, and today I'm going to show you how to add stickers to your digital planners. And we have both pre-cropped stickers and also stickers that are not cropped. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing you want to do is get your digital planner at planmindfully.com. And when you're there, click on Digital Planner on the main menu and then enter the code MINDFUL30 when you make your purchase, and you'll get 30% off your entire order. So make sure you do that. Next, what you want to do is to make sure you have the Xodo app installed on your device. And I know that there is a web-based version, but for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the installed version on my device because it does have different functionality, which I will share that when we get to that part of the tutorial. So make sure that you do have that installed, and you can install it on your Apple or your Android device. And then finally, please like and subscribe the video so I can help other people. I am just getting started and I would love to reach and help more people on my channel. So please like and subscribe. Okay, so before we go into that, I want to do a quick review of how to navigate the digital planner. So this is the cover of the book for the digital planner. And if you remember, when you click on monthly planner with your finger, then it takes you to the table of contents where you can access different things like the menu, the Christmas gifts, the grocery and meals, weekly planner, monthly planner, habit tracker, Christmas cards, photo journal, and of course the button to take you back to the book cover. And then while we're here, just to show you really quickly, if we, for example, click on grocery and meals, then that takes us to this page. And then there's also navigation down the left side. So you can choose where you want to go from there as well. And then to get back to that table of contents, you click on the ornament. And this is on every page. If you notice, there's this ornament right at the top. You click on that and it takes you back to the table of contents. So that's for all the planners and for all the pages in the planners. You'll be able to navigate at any time back to the table of contents simply by tapping on that image. So I'll show you another one. We go to the Christmas cards, same thing. We're here, and then you can tap on the ornaments and it takes you right back there. So now that we have that out the way, this digital planner has been updated to include holiday stickers. And like I said before, there's the pre-cropped holiday stickers, and then I have some that are not pre-cropped. So I'm going to show you both ways and how to use both of them. So we're going to start with the pre-cropped images. Okay, so now we're here on the table of contents, and the way we access the digital stickers in this planner will be to first tap on photo journal, and from there we're going to tap on the left side. At the very bottom, there's a button or a link that says extras. So we're going to tap on extras, and then from there, that'll open up the actual digital stickers that we can use to decorate our digital planner. So let's do that. And as you see, we have digital stickers on both sides. Now, as I mentioned before, on the left side, we have the pre-cropped digital stickers. The ones on the right are the ones that actually I made in a tutorial previously, and these are not pre-cropped. So I did both so that you can see how you can use both of them, and using mostly with the Xodo app, so you can see how to crop images with the images that are used on the right side. And then for the ones on the left, they're pre-cropped, so you don't have to crop anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick a picture and we're going to place it on our photo journal. So we're going to do that by first selecting it. And the way you do that is you tap on the image. Forgive me because I'm working with my pen and I'm still getting used to it. All right, so tap on that image, opens up the menu. This one with the double boxes is the one that you use to copy the image. So we're copying it, and then we're going to go to our photo journal, and tap on photo journal, and then we're going to paste it here in this box. So we're going to paste it there, and then this item comes up, or these menus come up, or this menu comes up, and the one you want to tap on to paste it is the one with the double lines with the 2 boxes. So you do that, and then now the image is now here on your photo journal, for example, and you can take that and tap on it and move it around, and you can also resize it if you wanted to do something with it, but we can leave that right there and we can go grab another one. So we're going to go back from the photo journal down to extras, and then we're going to get another image. So let's get, since it's Christmas season, let's grab the Merry Christmas sticker. That's a nice one. Nice fun font. And I'm selecting that with my pen. I'm still getting used to this, guys. Alrighty, so we're going to copy it, and then we're going to go back to the photo journal, and then we're going to paste it. Let's put it over here under memorable moments right at the top. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to paste it there. Or wait for that menu to pop up. All right, so now it says Merry Christmas. Now, again, these are already cropped, and so they don't need any additional cropping. The ones that we do next will need cropping. And as you see, when you select it, now you can move it around. I can resize it if I wanted to. I can rotate it, kind of give it a little tilt, and put it right here in the corner. It says Merry Christmas. And now we have that image there. And we can do the same with this. Tap on it and you can resize it. I don't know, can maybe make it a little bigger. Okay, so now we have a large wreath, and then we also have Merry Christmas under our memorable moments and also the photo journal. And that's how you do the images that are already pre-cropped. So next, we're going to do the images that are not pre-cropped. So let's get to that one. Okay, so now that we've done the pre-cropped stickers, now we're going to work with the stickers that are not pre-cropped. These actually are similar to the ones I did in the previous tutorial when I did the one about making digital stickers in Canva. So what we're going to do is we're going to select a set of stickers, and we're going to go with the red since it's the holiday season. Didn't mean to make that bigger. All right, so we're going to use our pen, and we're going to select this set of stickers so we can take and copy them and put it on another page. So let's see, we have let's go to the vision board, and we're going to paste it under thoughts. So we're going to paste it here, and this way we can have the image there. Now, if you notice, it grabbed all of them because these are not pre-cropped. So we're going to pick one that we want to use. So for thoughts, let's, of course, mindfulness, right? So let's crop it to one of the mindfulness images. And I say we use this one, the meditation image. So I just cropped it. I think I went kind of fast on that. Let me slow down just a bit. So I just grabbed the bars and I moved them around. Originally it was like this. So you just grab the corners like you would do with any other graphic design program or image editing. It's kind of simple. And you just grab the corners and then you crop it to where you want it to be. Granted, Xodo is not like super perfect at cropping the images, so you're going to have a little extra space around it, but that's okay, because the good things about these is that these images, although you get that extra space, these are transparent. So even though that extra space is there, it doesn't matter. You can still move it wherever and get that image placed however you like it placed. So we can put that right here. We can make it a little smaller. And then now we have our image there in the corner. And we have our mindfulness image to remind us to be mindful. So let's grab another one of those images. I like those. So we'll go back to the photo journal to get back to the stickers. And we're going to tap on extras. And we're going to pick another set. So we're going to get one of these, the larger ones that we see here. So we'll select these, which are pretty cool because they have different types all in this one sheet. And we're going to copy it. We'll go back to the vision board and we'll paste it, maybe under thoughts, and we'll do something with it here. So there's different ones that are available that we can choose from. I'll make it a little bigger here. Let's go with, we'll go with red, but then we'll crop it to go with the one that has like the faded. I know there's a name for that. I just don't know what it is, but I like that because it looks really cool. So we will take and use those, or use that one. And then we're going to tap on crop. And again, there's an extra space, but it doesn't matter because it's transparent. So we can size it to however you want it to be. And we can fit it. That's kind of big. We'll fit it right inside the box. And there we have it. So now we have the image in the box, and you could put words on there if you wanted to, or add more images on top of it, but you get the idea of how to add the digital stickers that are included in this planner in your planner so that you can decorate it. So that is all I have for today, and I hope you found this helpful. And yeah, make sure that you visit planmindfully.com to get your digital planners. Make sure to like and subscribe the video so we can help more people. And if you have any questions, I'm leaving all of my contact info in the description, so you can reach out and say hello on Facebook or on Instagram or on Twitter. And I have a Facebook group that I'm looking to expand, so it is now started, and I'd love for you to join me on Facebook. And that's all I have. The links are all there right in the description. So thank you for tuning in. Have a wonderful holiday, and I look forward to seeing you next week here on the channel.